5 affordable ways to make your small apartment look stylish and high-end on a budget. Introduction: elevate your space without breaking the bank. Welcome to ByJustTD, your go-to channel for architecture and interior design ideas, where we focus on turning small spaces into beautiful, functional homes. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 affordable yet effective ways to make your small apartment look stylish and high-end, without spending a fortune. Whether you're on a budget or simply looking for some inspiration to refresh your home, these ideas are for you. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment below on which of these tips you'll be trying in your apartment. Let's dive in. Maximize natural light for a luxurious feel. One of the simplest ways to make any space feel more open and luxurious is by maximizing natural light. Light is a key factor in how a room feels. When you're working with a smaller space, having as much light as possible will help make it feel larger and more inviting. Start by removing heavy curtains or drapes and replacing them with sheer, light-colored curtains or blinds that allow the sunlight to flood in. If privacy is an issue, consider layering a light curtain with a simple, modern roller blind that can be pulled down when needed. Mirrors are another affordable way to Add texture and layers for visual interest. Luxury interiors are all about layers. Texture is what makes a room feel rich and dynamic. You don't need to spend a lot to add layers of texture to your apartment. Start by incorporating different textiles into your decor, like a cozy throw on the couch, plush cushions, or a textured rug. When selecting these pieces, think about mixing materials. Velvet cushions, a wool throw, and a jute rug, for example, can work together to create a visually appealing contrast. Another easy and affordable way to add Opt for multifunctional furniture. In a small apartment, every piece of furniture should earn its keep by serving more than one purpose. Multifunctional furniture not only maximizes space but also adds a sophisticated, intentional design element to your home. For instance, consider investing in a stylish storage ottoman that can double as extra seating or a coffee table. Another great option is a sofa bed or a pull-out couch, which can turn your living room into a guest bedroom in seconds. Look for pieces that incorporate hidden storage, like beds with built-in drawers or coffee tables that lift to reveal storage. Incorporate statement pieces to create a focal point. Sometimes, less is more. Instead of filling your apartment with a lot of inexpensive items, consider investing in one or two statement pieces that will draw attention and give your space a luxurious feel. A statement piece can be anything from a unique light fixture to a bold piece of furniture like a velvet armchair or an oversized piece of artwork. Choosing the right statement piece is key. You want something that reflects your personal style while also making an impact. For example, a chandelier, or a large pendant light can instantly elevate a room's. Use a consistent color palette for a cohesive look. One of the secrets to making a small space feel more luxurious is to use a consistent color palette throughout your apartment. When everything matches or complements each other, your space will feel more cohesive and, as a result, more expensive. Stick to neutral colors like white, beige, and gray as a base, and then add pops of color through accessories such as throw pillows, artwork, or a stylish rug. A monochromatic palette, where you use different shades of the same color, is another way to achieve a sophisticated look. For instance, different shades of gray. Conclusion: stylish doesn't have to mean expensive. Creating a stylish, high-end look in your small apartment doesn't have to drain your wallet. By focusing on light, texture, multifunctional furniture, statement pieces, and a consistent color palette, you can transform your space into a sophisticated and welcoming home. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how thoughtfully you design your space. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to ByJustTD, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're styling your small apartment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more apartment